Trolman, Glaser, and Lichtman represented a man who worked for a company that erected steel sound stages in theaters and arenas, and he was engaged in putting together one of these, and as part of his job, he was required to climb up part of the steel structure as it was under construction, about 20 feet. He was not provided, as he should have been, with a safety harness. They did not take the time to have some sort of netting underneath him, which could have been available, and they were in a hurry to finish this project, and against the recommendations of some of the people on the job, they didn't provide him with a bucket truck. And what happened is because he didn't have this, and as part of what he was doing, he lost his footing through no fault of his own, and he fell approximately 20 feet to the concrete below, shattered both his legs, shattered his pelvis, shattered his wrist, broke his ribs, was hospitalized for over 2 months, and we had a twofold job. One was to get him medically back as best as the doctors could, and our job was to help him from a legal perspective using the New York State labor law. He was a young man with a family and was very good at what he did, but it was quite clear he was never going to return to that type of work. His injuries were too severe. He was going to have permanent and lifelong implications from those injuries, and our job was to make sure, utilizing the law, that this man and his family were fully and adequately compensated for the injuries that he sustained, injuries that could have been avoided, and to make sure that his family and himself were taken care of, both in terms of his future medical care and his future livelihood. There are many of these instances and many of these stories we could relate to you because they unfortunately happen all the time. When you select Trolman, Glaser, and Lichtman to represent you, you choose a team of experienced trial-tested lawyers who understand construction accident litigation. Our attorneys understand what key points need to be made to a jury and to an insurance company. Our goal is always to achieve the best possible result for you.